Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is She, and today I'll be sharing with you how I pre-poo my hair. I pre-poo my hair the day before my actual wash day to prepare it for shampooing and conditioning. So I'll be washing my hair tomorrow in the morning. So now it's evening, and forgive me if the lighting keeps coming in and out. It's because it's getting darker, so I want to pre-poo my hair now so that I can shampoo it tomorrow morning. The reason why I shampoo my hair or wash my hair in the morning is because my hair takes really long to dry. I like to air dry my hair. I do not apply any sort of heat, so I just let it air dry by itself. So that is why I wash it in the morning, so by evening it's all dried up. I have been pre-pooing my hair a lot lately, so the health of my hair and scalp is on point, and I have seen a lot of benefits. My hair is looking thicker and fuller, and I'm just loving everything about it. So let me show you the products that I'm going to be using. Avocado skin and hair oil, avocado oil, and here I have sweet almond oil and coconut and olive oil. If you do not have this specific coconut and olive oil, what you can do is mix. You can mix, oops, sorry. What you can do is mix this coconut oil. This is just a normal coconut oil, and you can mix it with extra virgin olive oil. So coconut oil and olive oil, you can just mix them together and you will get these olive oil and coconuts. I'm just going to put all my oils in here, and I have a spray water bottle that I'm going to put some warm water in. And I also have these two bottles. I love them because they have like a nozzle thing, so it doesn't become so messy when I'm applying on my hair. And also some small hair bands for when I am sectioning my hair.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
So now I'm just mixing all my oils together, and let me just say that I do not use these same oils all the time that I'm pre-pooing my hair. I keep changing the oils because I know exactly what each oil brings to the table, so I just like to mix them up, but these are the oils that I'm using today.
Breathing in, hold tight, hold tight.
And then I'm just putting some hot water in a bowl, and then I'll dip in the mixture of my oils inside that bowl because I just like it a bit warm, and also it's easy to apply because then it's not so thick. And then I put it in my small bottle, give it a nice shake to make sure that all the oils get mixed together nicely, and then it's ready to apply.
Collide, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping light.
I'll moisturize my hair using some warm water first before I start applying the oils.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me.
Notice how dry my hair looks like, guys. Oh my gosh, at the ends it's so dry. Anyway, now that I have already sprayed it with water all over my hair, so I'm just putting it on a top knot to make it easy to start applying the oil, and I'll start from the back, working my way to the front. So I start applying the oil from the hairline, and then I pull one strand at a time, and I make sure that the oil is evenly distributed from the roots to the end of the lock. So this is what I'm doing. I pull one strand and then put some oil on the root very close to the scalp, and then I massage it in nicely. Look at that growth. Beautiful, very healthy.
Because of you, dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move.
Almost done. I have only 4 strands left. Yay!
Make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
This is my favorite part, scalp massage. So now I'll go ahead and start massaging my scalp. Scalp massages help to create a good environment for hair growth, so it's very important. It also decreases stress and boosts my mood. It stimulates blood flow to and from my skin, so I love it. So now I'm dividing my hair into 6 sections, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I want now to start concentrating on the ends of my locks. The base has already been done. The roots are looking so nice and they're all oiled, but if your hair is colored, please do not skip this step. It is very important because hair tends to dry out on the ends because of the color. So let's put it into 6 sections and then go ahead and work on those ends. I have realized that we have a guest at the bottom of my locks. It also decided that it wants to be part of the pre-poo. Please do not worry about that. I got rid of it, and I also saw it when I was editing. So do not worry about that. I removed it. It's just a piece of fabric.
Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Those are my 6 matutas. I'll take a water bottle, spray the ends, and then start oiling them. I'm now concentrating on the ends only.
Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
I am done with that. My hair feels so good. It's not dry anymore. It's a bit like a workout depending on the length of your hair. So the longer your hair, the more the work it is. But it took me like say 30 minutes to do all this. And guess what? Before I did my locks, I used to stay in salon for like 3 hours, 4 hours doing my braids. So this is a bit more better. I've got an oil on my t-shirt, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take one of these shower caps and put it on my head. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. My hair looks a bit bulky these days. But yeah, that's it. So let's try. I'm trying not to tear it. Ouch. My nails are long and I don't want to tear my shower cap. So I'm being gentle. It's in, it's in. There we go. And then I will put this one on top of it like that. And I will sleep on it that way. So then the oils can just do their work. If you want a bit more protection so that the oil does not seep into your pillows at night, you can add something like a headscarf like this. You can just put it if you want and tie your hair like this. And go to sleep. But for me, I'm not going to be putting this now. I'll put this later because I'm going for my shower. That's it for today. And I'll just go have my shower, sleep, and tomorrow morning I'll be showing you how my hair looks like. So do not go anywhere until we see the results. This is me in the morning. Good morning. I'm feeling grumpy. I'm ready for my shower. But then I remembered, hey, I made a promise. So let's start removing the shower cap and see how the hair looks like today. I was sweating a lot last night, but that's what I wanted because I did not use any dryer. So I needed some heat so that the oils can just melt and do their job the entire night. So I am happy with the results. Now my hair feels even more softer than it was yesterday when I did the process. And there's still a lot of oil, as you can see. Of course, it did not go anywhere. And I'm just going to remove those bands, get ready to wash it. I'm so happy with it. I'm happy. I'll go wash my hair now. That is, of course, a video for next time. Maybe I can show you my wash routine. I hope you enjoyed pre-pooing with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch up with you next week on my next video. Until next time, bye.